In terms of appearance design, the changes of the new RAV4 mainly focus on the front end, but 3 different power versions have different designs on the front. The biggest change is the 2.0L petrol version of the top model, which introduces the North American Adventure off-road kit, adopts a larger grille and adds darkened horizontal spoke decorations that look more domineering. In addition, the interior of the headlight assembly has been optimized and adjusted using LED light groups. Also, the shape of the lower bumper has been adjusted to look more masculine and wild. On the body side, the overall shape remains unchanged, but some adjustments have been made in details, such as the design of the A-pillar in a different color from the body. The tail is basically the same as the current model, the shape of the headlights has not changed, but the lower skid plate below adopts a silver color scheme to add a touch of refinement. In terms of interior, the layout of the central control is also basically the same as the current model. The most obvious change is the adoption of the brand new 10.25-inch central control display, and the function has been upgraded to Toyota's latest Carta machine system, which has been further improved in both interaction and functional applicability. High-end models will also use a full LCD instrument cluster, further enhancing the sense of technology. In addition, the material of the interior has been further optimized by adding suede material. In addition, many comfort and technology configurations have been added to the original model version, as seen in the figure below. In terms of power, the new Toyota RAV4 Rongfang offers 3 power versions: 2.0L fuel version, 2.5L petrol-electric hybrid version and 2.5L plug-in hybrid version. The 2.0L fuel-electric version has a maximum power of 126 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 209 Newton-meters. The 2.5L petrol-electric hybrid version has a single-engine version and a twin-engine version. Secondly, it has 225 kilowatt system comprehensive power. The pure electric cruising range of WLTC working condition is divided into 78 kilometers and 73 kilometers.